Welcome guys to the Crochet With channel. In this video tutorial, let's crochet this beautiful dog's paw. You may use them as a coaster, as face scrubbies and makeup pads, or you can decorate your Christmas tree. And so what I suggest, you join both sides together. You may add fillings inside if you want, and then hang it on your Christmas tree. It's a really cute decoration. So if you're ready, let's get started. For this tutorial I'm using medium worsted weight yarn and 4mm crochet hook. I'm using acrylic yarn. You may also use cotton yarn. So start, create a magic ring and chain 2. Now inside of your magic ring, make 8 puff stitches. So what does it mean? Yarn over, insert the hook and draw up a long loop. Again, yarn over, insert the hook and draw up a long loop. And for the last time, yarn over, insert the hook and draw up a long loop. Now you have 7 loops on your hook. Make a yarn over and pull through all 7 loops, and to close a puff stitch, make a chain 1. So the first puff stitch is ready. Let's make the second one. Yarn over, insert the hook and draw up again a long loop. Yarn over, draw up a loop, and yarn over, draw up a loop. Now you have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops on your hook. Chain 1 to close puff stitch. So we've done 2 puff stitches. Now let's repeat. Yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 7 loops and chain 1. Let's repeat again. Yarn over, draw up a long loop, yarn over, draw up a long loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 loops. Now yarn over and pull through all 7 loops. If you want, you can make 9 loops or 11 loops. It depends what weight of yarn you are using. So go on and make 4 more puff stitches. Now pull tight the tail. Now cut the yarn because we are going to use another color after. And let's join. I'm going to use a yarn needle. So insert the needle underneath the first puff stitch. So here it is, in this way, underneath both loops, and now into the center of the last stitch, like this, and weave in ends right away. Perfect. Cut this tail. And proceed the same with the second tail. Now take a white color yarn and let's attach it between puff stitches in any place, here or here, so you decide. Make chain 2 and make 2 puff stitches into the same space between puff stitches. Again, insert the hook, draw up a loop 3 times. Now yarn over and pull through all 7 loops and chain 1. And now the second puff stitch into the same space. Pull through all 7 loops and chain 1. Now work between next 2 puff stitches, sorry, it's a tail. Go on repeating 2 puff stitches in between here. Yarn over, pull through all 7 loops, chain 1, and again 1 more puff stitch. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops again and chain 1. So that's what we are going to repeat. At the end of this round we will have 16 puff stitches. Chain 1 and 1 more puff stitch. Yarn over, pull through all 7 loops and chain 1. So that's what we have. Please go on repeating here, 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 and here. So in total 16 puff stitches. Again, cut the yarn and join. Again, we will change color. Underneath both loops here of the first puff stitch and into the center of the last stitch here. And weave in ends. Cut the yarn and look how beautiful, little sponge. Now take again pink color and attach it in any place again between those 2 puff stitches. For example, here, let's attach it. Leave a tail, please. Now chain 2 again and into the same space make 3 puff stitches. Pull through all 7 loops, chain 1. So this is the first puff stitch. Let's make the second one. Sorry, my yarn. Pull through all 7 loops, chain 1 and the third puff stitch into the same space. Pull through all 7 loops and chain 1. Now make a slip stitch between these two clusters. And let's repeat. Between next two puff stitches, make 3 puff stitches. 1, 2, 3, yarn over and pull through all 7 loops, chain 1 and 2 more puff stitches, and 1 more, chain 1. So here again between clusters make a slip stitch. Repeat what we have just done for 2 more times. Here 3 puff stitches, slip stitch, 3 puff stitches, and then I will show you how we will finish. At the end you make chain 2 instead of 1 and make a slip stitch into the same space. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. And for the last round again take white color and attach it from the right side into this puff stitch, this one, perfect. Now make chain 1 and 1 single crochet into the same puff stitch. Pull the tail. Now 1 single crochet into the next puff stitch, and then 1 single crochet into the next chain 1. After that make 1 single crochet, and I want to show you that for the claw imitation we will crochet half double crochet here. If you don't want to make a claw imitation and want it to be round always, so just substitute all half double crochet with single crochet. So let's do into the next stitch 1 single crochet and into the same stitch 1 half double crochet. If you don't want a claw, just 1 more single crochet into the next stitch 1 half double crochet and into the same stitch single crochet. If you don't want, just 2 single crochet. And now 1 single crochet into the next stitch and 1 single crochet into the next stitch. So that's what we have. Now into the same space where we did a slip stitch, make 1 single crochet. Now again let's repeat 1 single crochet in next puff stitch, 1 single crochet in next chain 1 stitch, then 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, and 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, and 1 single crochet into the same stitch, then 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and single crochet into the same space where you did slip stitch. and it looks like this. So I hope it's clear. Repeat one single crochet here, one single crochet, then one single crochet, one half double crochet, one half double crochet, one single crochet, one single crochet, one single crochet, and till the end. So at the end, let's move to the bottom part and into this puff stitch, make single crochet, then into the next stitch one single crochet, into the next stitch one single crochet, again one single crochet, and one single crochet. So 5 single crochet we did. Now into the next stitch make 2 single crochet, make an increase, and you see I'm holding tail along because I'm lazy to weave in ends after. I'm skipping little stitches that were formed by joining the previous round, and now make 1 single crochet into the next stitch and 1 more single crochet into the next stitch. After that again 2 single crochet into the next stitch, then 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next stitch after, and again 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Finish with 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches. In case you finished with 6 stitches, no worries, it's okay. Three, 4, the last one 5. Cut the yarn and let's join in the same way. Underneath both loops of first single crochet, here it is, and into the center of the last stitch. In our case it's also single crochet. So that's it. Weave in all ends and you are done. Look how beautiful it is. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I hope to see you soon in my next video tutorials.